This is the all-new 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser, a name that's been around for over 7 years, a legion that's take families, explorers, and adventurers to the end of the earth. And in 2025, it's back. Bolder, tougher, and more capable than ever. But is it still the king of off-roading SUVs? Or just a modernized nostalgia trip? Today we take it off the pavement into the dirt and find out. First glance, you can tell Toyota went back to its roots. This isn't some overstyled city cruiser. The 2025 Land Cruiser wears a boxy functional design. The upright stance, squared off fenders, and wide track give it that confident go anywhere look. The front end is chunky and purposeful, with LED headlamps integrated into a simple grille that proudly wears the Toyota badge. It's a design that feels honest, like it's built for the trail, not the catwalk. From the side, you see generous ground clearance and short overhangs. Do things any serious off-roading lover. And the rear, simple rugged, with a flat tailgate and vertical tail lights that nod to the old 70s series. Step inside, and the Land Cruiser balances with durability, with the dash is clean and functional, with big physical knobs for climate control. Perfect for adjustment with gloves on during a winter expedition. The steering wheel is thick and heavy, and visibility is excellent thanks to the upright windshield. Tech hasn't been ignored either. You've got a large infotainment screen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a premium sound system, and Toyota's latest safety suicide. Seats are supportive with durable materials that feel ready for muddy boots and dusty air. And yes, you can spec it as a 5 or 7-seater, making it a truly family adventure machine. Under the hood, Toyota has moved away from big V's to a more modern, efficient setup. The 2025 Land Cruiser comes with a turbocharged 2.4-liter 4-cylinder hybrid producing around 326 horsepower and 465 pound-feet of torque. That might sound small for a big SUV, but true me, keeping a steady pace so you can focus on steering through tricky obstacles. The torque delivery is instant, and it's perfect for crawling over rocks or pulling through deep sand. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and 4x4-wheel drive, it delivers smooth power both on and off the road, and with estimated fuel economy of around 23 miles per gallon combined. It's far more efficient than older generations. But here's where the Land Cruiser earned its name, off-road. Today has packed it with the kind of hardware and tech that makes tough trails feel like Sunday drives. First, the basic. You've got a robust ladder frame chassis, solid ground clearance of about 9 inches, approach and departure angles that daunt you a dead step, inclines, and underbody plates for protection. The 4-wheel drive system includes a 2-speed transfer case for low-range gearing, essential for slow, controlled climbs. There are also a locked center differential and, in high trims, and electronic locking rear differential, giving you maximized traction when one wheel is hanging in the air. Your direct use train select lets you choose setting for sand and dirt adjustment, throttle response, traction control, and gearbox behavior. Crawl control works like off-cruiser control. On our test, the Land Cruiser tackles deep rut, loose grab, and step rock without breaking. A suspension travels up big bump, and the steer, while not sports car, gave precise feedback about the trip under this tire. Even in deep water crossing, the high-end tech keeps the engine brake. Bottom line, this SUV feels as confident on a rock mountain pass as it does pulling in supermarket parking lot. Now the Land Cruiser isn't just for remote desert and jungle. On the highway, it's surprising merry fun. Road noise is well controlled, the suspension smooth out perfection, and the hybrid powertrain gives strong acceleration for merging and overtake. It's not a corner car body'll, it's negotiable. Is not if you, but that expects a top body on frame SU. What matters is that its feel plan and stable at speed, and braking performance is strong for a vehicle of this size. The combination of comfort and capability means you can drive hundreds of miles to your next adventure without arriving exhausted. 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser is more than just a combat. It's a statement. In an age where many SUVs have gone soft, Toyota has brought back a machine that stays true to its heritage while embracing more efficiency and tech. It's not cheap, starting in the mid-$50,000 range and climbing with options, but what you get is a SUV that can take you almost anywhere while keeping your comfort the entire way. Whether you're tackling track roads, snowy back roads, or just want a family vehicle that laughs in the face of bad weather, the Land Cruiser delivers. For adventurers, explorers, and anyone who values responsibility over flash, this is off-road icon Reborn, and after spending a day with it, I can confidently say the king is back. Thanks for watching our reviews of the 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us next time for more real-world car reviews. Until then, keep exploring.